Throughout this chapter, we have discussed the basic analytical concepts in the Levin system, including the uses of the body. Some of the concepts we will be discussing in this video are gesture, posture, body halves, distal initiation, core initiation, and upper body versus lower body movement. The first concept that we will be discussing is gestures. A gesture is an action limited to one part or parts of the body. For example, a hand, an arm, a foot, a hip, a head, etc. Ordinary everyday activity often predominantly use gestural actions. These can be used in many ways, such as waving to express a greeting, or beating on your heart to show passion. Gestures can even be used in dance context to emphasize a phrase or express something. Can you guess what Beyoncé is doing here with her movement? Gestures can also be used to communicate something with another person. Did you just see Beyoncé gesture to Bruno? The next concept that we will be discussing is posture. Posture is a position assumed by the whole body or an action which uses the body as a unit. Just like gestures, postures can be seen in both everyday movement as well as in dance. Let us now take a look at how our different postures can affect the message being told by our actions. In the beginning of this video, Beyoncé's posture seems to suggest as though she is in love with this man. But then, with a quick turn of the head, her posture changes completely. What does this message say in comparison to the first one? Postures are truly important in deciphering the meaning behind these actions. For example, watch Beyoncé walk in these two separate videos. A body half is a movement concept which refers to the movement of half of the body, while the other half is completely stationary or playing a supporting role. This could mean the right and left sides of your body, or the upper and lower sides of your body. Watch as Beyoncé and young Beyoncé perform this movement for us. This chapter also discusses two kinds of initiation, distal initiation and core initiation. Distal initiation is a type of movement initiated by body parts situated away from the point of attachment to the body, otherwise known as the core. In this video of Beyoncé riding a bike, her movement is distally initiated by her legs. And of course, distal initiation can also be found in dance. Watch as Beyoncé uses her arms, legs, fingers, and her head to distally initiate her movement. Core initiation is a type of movement initiated by the body parts situated next to or nearest the point of attachment to the body, otherwise known as the core. Core initiation happens in real life with things such as laughter.
No, she stays
I'm
on
not
the
asking
stage.
if you're crazy. I'm asking.
Must be good to you.
Upper body initiation is any movement that starts from the upper half of the body. This can be seen distally using arms or head. Upper body initiation can also start from the core. Watch as this criminal tries to escape Beyoncé by using his chest to escape the handcuffs. Beyoncé also uses upper body core initiation in her dance movements. Lower body initiation is any movement that starts from the lower half of the body. As young Beyoncé runs and eventually falls, she is distally initiating this movement from the lower body with her legs. And once again, Beyoncé gives us an example of this in dance. And a quick example of lower body core initiation. Each of these concepts can be seen throughout dance and everyday movement. Can you spot them? Try in this next exercise.
If you're lonely in your bed, fill it up to the top, babe. Must be good to you. Keep me coming, keep me going. Keep me humming, keep me going. Keep me humming, keep me moaning. Keep me humming, keep me moaning. What's the love until the morning? What's the love until the morning? Stop screaming, freaking blowing.
See if you can identify these uses of body in your everyday life as well as in your dancing. Thank you for watching, and move on.
And it's hard to